Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shop open and close system. So we can click this button to open up a shop UI, and then we can click on the close button to close the shop UI. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is set up your UI. So I already created my UI, and I'll just walk you through how it works. So we have a screen GUI with ignore GUI inset on and reset on spawn off. This is important, so if the player resets, the system will still work. We have a open button inside of here, so when we click on this, the UI will open. This is just a simple text button. And we have the frame. So inside of the frame, this is just a very basic frame. I have a close button, which when they click, of course, it will close the frame, and a title text label, which does not really matter in this case. It's just an indicator that this is a shop UI. But once you have set up the UI, what you can do is just set the frame that you want to toggle open and close to be invisible. So set the visible property to false and keep the open button not inside of the frame but inside of the UI. So when we set the frame to false, we can still see the open button. But once we have done that, we can start scripting the system. Alright, so what we're going to do is go inside of the starter player scripts, and we're going to insert a new local script. I'm going to name this shop open. Now the reason we're not putting this local script in starter GUI is that with the new local scripts, we cannot run them in starter GUI anymore. We have to run them in starter player scripts. I think there's still some leniency as to how you can run them, but as of now, you actually need to run them in starter player scripts. So what I'm going to do is open this up, and we can actually start coding right away. So what I'm going to do is get the players service, which is going to be game get service players. I'll get the player, which is players.localPlayer, and the player UI, which is player, wait for child, player GUI, just like that. Great, so once we've done that, we now need to get our UI. So local UI is equal to player UI, wait for child screen GUI, so that's right here. Let's get the frame, so local frame is UI.frame, and local open is UI.open. Oops. Great. So once we've done that, we can actually just start scripting. So the first thing that we want to do is check when the open button is clicked. So open, mouse button 1, click, connect, function, it won't take any arguments, and all we'll do is say frame.visible equals true, just like that. And what we want to do is the exact opposite for the close button. So we'll say frame.close, mouse button 1 click, connect, function, takes no arguments, and frame.visible equals false. And that's it in terms of the scripting. It's a very short script, but what we can do is hit play and actually test this out. So I'm in the game, no errors, which is nice. When I hit shop, we see that the UI opens. If I click it again, of course, it's already open. And when I click the close button, it closes just like that. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!